Forget giant meteors or alien fleets. There's something far more unsettling hiding in space called strange matter. Though most people don't know it, scientists believe this substance could theoretically consume an entire planet under the right conditions. To grasp this danger, we first need to zoom deep into the very building blocks of everything around us. Look closely at your own hand, which is made of countless tiny biological cells. Zoom in further to those cells, and you will find the basic structures called molecules. Go even deeper than molecules, and you eventually reach the magnificent atom itself. Every atom contains a central nucleus made of protons and neutrons, surrounded by orbiting electrons. Surprisingly, these particles are not packed tightly together inside the atom's structure. A huge amount of empty space actually exists between them. So why does your hand feel solid? The reason you feel resistance is because the atoms push back when you press against something. Press harder, and that atomic resistance naturally increases to meet your force. But applying unimaginably hard pressure could force those nuclei to fuse into new, different elements. This extreme fusion happens in the universe's most powerful objects, neutron stars. When a massive star dies, it collapses under gravity, causing a huge explosion. If the remnant is large enough, it becomes a black hole, but slightly smaller cores form neutron stars. These stars are only about 10 miles wide, yet contain 1.4 times the Sunday's mass packed inside. In fact, just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 10 million tons on Earth. Scientists theorize that such pressure forces even neutrons to break their structural integrity. The star may then collapse further into something even denser, possibly a quark star. Deep inside a quark star, scientists suggest something truly strange might begin to form. As pressure mounts, some quarks convert into heavier particles called strange quarks. If enough of these accumulate, they form strange matter, a substance completely alien to our world. And this is where the theoretical implications, unfortunately, become deeply unsettling. Imagine squeezing an iron atom with unbelievable force until its internal structure begins to fail. Its protons and neutrons would eventually shatter, breaking down into their basic building blocks, quarks. With even more pressure, some of those quarks could then transform into the exotic strange quarks. What you would hold is no longer iron, but a tiny piece of strange matter called a strangelet. Unlike our organized matter, strange matter is fundamentally chaotic, with quarks roaming freely without structure. Yet, despite this chaos, it is predicted to be incredibly stable, dense, and nearly indestructible. The most worrying property is that strange matter may be inherently contagious. If a strangelet touches normal matter, it could trigger a chain reaction, converting everything it contacts into more strange matter. Visualize a harmless object spreading this transformation to everything else around it. A truly terrifying cosmic idea. While it sounds like fiction, strangelets could escape during extreme cosmic events like neutron star collisions. Once loose, they could travel space for billions of years at incredible velocities across the galaxy. If one were to hit Earth, it would be completely indifferent to our planet's vibrant life forms. It would simply begin converting everything it touches into more of its own strange composition immediately. Is there any viable way to stop such an unstoppable, converting phenomenon once it starts? Theoretically, the only known option is to throw the dangerous object into the gravity of a black hole. However, safely approaching a black hole presents nearly impossible engineering challenges for any spacecraft. Its gravity is so strong it literally bends the path of light around it before you even get close. Crossing the event horizon means escape is absolutely impossible once you pass that point of no return. Long before that boundary, any object nearby would be stretched thin in that terrifying process called spaghettification. Even with advanced future travel, safely delivering a strangelet to a black hole remains functionally impossible for us. Fortunately, for the moment, strange matter remains purely a theoretical concept in astrophysics. Scientists once considered creating it in accelerators, but concluded the extreme heat would instantly destroy any strangelet formed. Furthermore, even if made, strange matter would likely be too unstable to survive long enough to cause harm. Reassuringly, no strangelets have ever been detected on Earth despite billions of years of cosmic exposure. This strongly suggests the chance of a strange matter invasion happening soon is incredibly small for now. So please do not worry about our world being consumed by this theoretical substance anytime soon. And that jar of honey on your counter, it is safe, probably. What do you think about the odds of a stray strangelet ever reaching our planet? Let me know your theories in the comments. And if you enjoy cosmic extremes, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep